Hello everyone, my name is Daria and I'm a developer relations engineer at Subsquid. Today I'll show you how to deploy your Squid in the Subsquid Cloud, and we will also take a look at the new features of the Cloud app. So to get started, let's first open a terminal and go into the folder where you want to store your Squid. We will deploy a simple EVM Squid, so let's download it. To get the template, we type sqd init, then the name of the squid, which would be sample squid --template EVM. This creates a simple squid that indexes burn transactions on Ethereum. So now let's open the squid and take a look at it. And we also need to run npm CI to install all of the dependencies. And after that, let's start with deploying the squid. So the most important file for deploying the squid in the cloud is squid.yaml. Here you specify the name, the version description, and also deployment characteristics of the squid. In this case, we have Postgres add-on, RPC add-on, where we use the RPC endpoint provided by Subsquid. Here we can also specify the scale and whether the squid is dedicated or collocated. We're not going to touch that. So now let's start with deploying our squid. For that, let's open the browser and go into the Subsquid Cloud and get started. So here we have our Subsquid Cloud dashboard. In the squid section, we have all of the squids that are deployed. So here I only have one hibernated squid at the moment, but soon we're going to have our squid here as well. So let's press deploy the squid. And we already have installed the CLI. And now to install, we need to authenticate. So we go to API token and create new token. So let's name it test token. And then we can copy the command right here to authenticate in the terminal. So let's authenticate. And now we have successfully logged in. And let's go back. And go back to deploy the squid. Here we have to input our name, sample squid. And then we can go ahead and copy this line. And now our squid is building, and soon it's going to be deployed in the cloud, so we will be able to see it in the dashboard. So now our squid has deployed, and we can see it on the Subsquid Cloud dashboard. We can also see the details, the logs, metrics, database access, manifest, and all of the dependencies. And now let's finally take a look at the new features. One of the new features that we have in the Subsquid Cloud is monitoring. So now you can see all of the stats for all of your squids. So for example, here you can see unexpected restarts, CPU usage, disk usage, memory usage, number of indexed blocks. You can also choose if you want to see just the database or just the API stats or just the processors. And you can also look at it all together. And next new thing that we have is RPC endpoints. So now you don't have to find your own RPC endpoint. You can just install the RPC proxy plugin by Subsquid and then use one of those endpoints provided here. So you just specify the following variable in the env file, and you'll have the RPC supplied out of the box with your squid. And another new feature is multiple API tokens. So as you saw, we have created test token to deploy the squid, And now you can create multiple tokens with different expiration dates. So you can manage your deployment tokens more efficiently. And now let's go back to our Squid. It is now healthy and indexing all of the blocks. It's more than halfway synced. And we can take a look at the logs again to make sure that it is functioning properly. So this is it for the new features of our cloud service, and I hope you have enjoyed this video and found it helpful. And if you have any questions about our cloud service or indexing, then feel free to leave it in the video or reach out to us on Twitter or Telegram.